What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company, and I will show you why we have this massive sell-off during the last couple of sessions. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point several days ago, and I've told you that we completed all 5 wave structure inside the C wave, and this wave is the last wave of the retracement for the wave from this bottom to this top. And we hit the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and from this range we went higher. And definitely for now, as long as this pivot holds, in spite of this huge sell-off, we didn't break this previous bottom. This means we are still on our way to hit higher targets with the top of our 5th wave. And the targets are still the same, and I will show you this in just several minutes. But for now, let me remind you that I made a lot of videos on Tesla technical analysis, and you can watch the summary of this video in the description below and on your top right corner. And this video shows you that this asset is extremely technical, and I nailed more than 80% of its movements. And that's why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news that was the catalyst of this massive sell-off. For now, we have a lot of news directly related to Mr. Elon Musk and to his acquisition of Twitter. And the latest news is right here. On May the 5th, on electric.com, we have this article. And it's titled, Elon Musk will take over Twitter CEO role, but not for long. We've heard this before, haven't we? And let me quote you this. Elon Musk became CEO of Tesla in 2009. It was only supposed to be for a few months until they found a replacement. 13 years later, he's still the CEO of Tesla. Now Musk is buying Twitter and taking it private. He's going to take over the CEO role for a few months, according to a new report from CNBC. And let me quote you this. Elon Musk is expected to serve as a temporary CEO of Twitter for a few months after he completes his $44 billion takeover of the social media company, sources told CNBC's David Faber. Today, a new SEC filing also revealed that Musk is bringing other investors totaling $7.14 billion in equity financing for the Twitter acquisition. Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison, who also sits on Tesla's board, is investing $1 billion. Tesla's stock is down 7% today following the news, though the broader market is also down. The acquisition has already been taking Musk's time away from Tesla's, and it is expected to take even more time once the acquisition goes through. More so if he comes CEO even temporarily. And this news was the reason why Tesla shares are down for more than, let me show it to you, for more than 9%, 10%, almost 10% during last 2 sessions. And definitely on top of this news, the broader market is also down. Let me add to this price chart the SPY index, and as you can see, we have the peak of SPY, and it is the same point when we had a peak with Tesla. And since then, we have a harsh movement to the downside for SPY symbol, and the same movement made by Tesla. And I have to say that we didn't break the bottom. Let me delete this tool, I don't need it right now. We didn't break this previous bottom. This means we are still very bullish. And let me show you some other news directly related to Tesla. And first of all, let me show you this. On May the 6th, we have this article that is titled, Tesla releases list of battery material suppliers, confirms long-term nickel deal with Vale. And let me quote you this. Tesla has released a list of direct battery material suppliers and confirmed that it has a long-term nickel deal with Vale, the world's largest nickel producer. There's currently a race to secure battery materials in order to support the rapid growth of the EV industry. Several players in the industry have been raising the alarm that there are going to be massive shortages of some of the key materials. Generally, the miners and refiners deal with the battery cell manufacturers and not the automakers, but the latter started building direct relationships with miners of base materials in order to secure long-term contracts and ensure the flow of batteries years ahead. Tesla has been amongst the early automakers looking to build those relationships on top of starting to build its own battery cell recently. And definitely it is a very wise decision to secure their supply chain of their main component of their battery cells. And definitely this news improves the position of Tesla on the market. And I have to say that we have even more good news directly related to Tesla. Let me show you this article. We are still on electric.co, and this news was published on May the 6th as well, and it's titled Tesla adds shifts at Gigafactory Shanghai to return to full production this month. And let me quote you this. Tesla is aiming to increase its Shanghai plant's daily output to 2,600 cars from May 16th. An internal memo seen by Reuters said, as it seeks to return production to levels before the city lockdown to control the spread of COVID-19. That would be an impressive ramp-up in production that shows the truly giant production capacity of the factory. At 2,600 vehicles per day, it would put Gigafactory Shanghai's annualized production capacity back to over 900,000 vehicles per year. With the production shut down and ramp up back up, Tesla likely missed out on over 100,000 vehicles from the plant in the second quarter. But CEO Elon Musk said that the automaker still has a shot at maintaining its record level of deliveries this quarter. And I have to say that if on upcoming earnings report they will show that Tesla wasn't severely affected by this shutdown in Shanghai factory, this means it will improve even more their fundamental position on the market, and it will prove their sustainability in general. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we are, as I already mentioned, we are still in play in this structure. We have this bottom as our bottom of the entire wave to the upside, and we formed 4 waves out of 5 in our structure, and this means we have to land the top of our 5th wave. And to project this target, I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom, from the bottom of the 3rd wave to the top of the 3rd wave and to the bottom of retracement. And as long as this pivot holds, and this range is $827.93, we are still bullish and we have to hit higher targets. And the crucial point for this asset that will invalidate the entire count will be this bottom, the bottom of the 3rd wave, and it is the price point of roughly $750. But so far so good, we didn't even get closer to this range. This means most likely we'll hit higher targets, and the targets are following. It is the 0.786 Fibonacci extension level at the price point of $1,144, and it is the confluence with our top of the 3rd wave right here. Next one is 1-to-1 extension, and it is $1,231, and it is the confluence with our all-time high. And I have to say that these are 2 main targets right now. And if you want to enter your position, if you are a swing trader, you can enter your position right here, but you have to put your stop loss slightly below this previous bottom, because if we will break it, as I already mentioned, we will invalidate our targets and we will see lower price action. That's why the upside potential for this asset is from 33 all the way up to 43%, and the downside potential is only 5.5%. Definitely huge risk to reward ratio that might bring you a lot of profits. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stay